What's happening, YouTube? It's Doug from Reshoevn8r here to announce our October Best of 2018 sneaker giveaway. Every single month, along with a sneaker, we give away one of our cleaning kits. This is our 4-ounce 3-brush cleaning solution, and it's gonna do some wonders if you win this month's shoe, which, get ready for it, it's the Nike Off-White Blazer Grim Reaper edition. I love the shoe. I can't wait. I wish I could enter myself, but I can't. If you want to, hit the description down below. You're gonna hit that link, or type in Reshoevn8r.com, and you're gonna go to the giveaway section to enter to win that shoe. Good luck, go nuts, have fun. And today we're also going to announce the winner of our September giveaway. The Nike SB Purple Lobster Dunks are going to you, Oscar Delgado from Los Angeles, California. Congratulations, you have been chosen as the winner of this shoe. Please make sure you reach out to us within the next 48 hours, or we're going to have to choose another winner. And Oscar, I know you don't want that because these shoes are fire. Enjoy. This has been Doug from Reshoevn8r. We'll see you again next month.